we're out here at one of our houses today. We actually had a AC condensate overflow. As you can tell right here, we just kind of rigged this up for right now till we get the new vanities put back in here. But the biggest thing is to make sure you maintain your air conditioning system. It's something a lot of people just, once you're in with your daily life, your kids, your sports, all that kind of stuff, running and gunning between school and work, you forget about. Make sure that your air conditioning company and or yourself or your plumber can also do it, or you can give us a shout, but you need to do algicide and or bleach. Algicide is one of the best substances you can get from Lowe's or Home Depot. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google algicide real quick. And what it is, you can either do the chemical, either the liquid or a tablet. What you'll actually do is put that down your drain line. And what it does is, so right here, your condensate comes from your air conditioner down the wall through here. And then right now it's actually temporarily just routed to this drain, but typically it ties into the back side of the P-trap on the 90 and then runs down your drain. What ends up happening though is, just because it's a slow drip, you have all the algae and the fungus and things like that just start to add up and build together. So then all of a sudden your drain line's this big and it just starts shrinking due to that algae buildup. So the biggest thing is making sure you put that algae tab in there, so it'll start to help disintegrate that, and then that'll let the water kind of push out of there. So just make sure you're doing that. If you have questions about the air conditioner, reach out to us. We got many AC companies, or we can handle some of this stuff depending on what it is. Send one of our guys out. But just making sure you're staying up to date on those maintenance things, because then that pretty much blew out the backside of the sink, and then of course caused what we're doing in the bathroom right now. The water and moisture kind of wicked up the walls on this side. We caught it fast enough, or actually the homeowners caught it fast enough, so we didn't have to mess with the whole entire bathroom. But at the same time, we used this time to get this paid for. They had to pay the deductible with the insurance company. We put in an insurance claim once we came out and talked about it, just making sure that all the numbers added up to be claim worthy. So that's another thing, just reaching out to us and we can walk you through the process. And then of course they wanted to use this time to look at doing, fresh new bathtub, shower, because we're already in here messing with everything. So we gave them a good deal, took care of them. So if y'all have any questions about this or the maintenance, things like that, just feel free to reach out to us. There's a lot of different things on your house you need to maintain that of course everybody kind of misses out on or forgets about. So just give us a call. This is Garrett with Warrior Wolf.